name is Keke Palmer. And that Keke Do You Love Me song ruined my damn life. Man had the whole internet asking if I was the Keke. Well, yes, I am the Keke, just not that Keke. It was my name first. Stop acting like we smashed and give me my damn $6 million. Saying Keke's having a baby, Keke's pregnant, and I want to set the record straight. I am.
Tell when your makeup has expired.
You gotta look on the label on the back. It says like number and M. It'll say like 12M, 12 months, 6 months, 24 months, 36 months. Child, we need to go look in your bag.
This is dangerous.
If you were gonna be an object, what object would you be?
You know what, honey? I'd be a rock. They seem like they've got it easy, you know? Even if somebody steps on them, they win, because it hurts that person.
Solid.
I'm solid.
Solid as a rock.
And if you mess with me, you gonna get scraped up.
So good.